Hi you guys, welcome back to Vintage and Painted. I hope you had a fabulous week. This week's video is going to be finishing up the recycling center that we started in last week's video, and I'm excited. I love a good organization, and that's what this DIY home project is. It's going to be helping me organize or be a little less cluttered in the kitchen. So if you're interested, we're headed straight to Harbour Freight. I gotta pick up some wheels before we finish that up. All right, you guys, let's go. Let's get into it. So we live in a more rural area and we love it. It's not too far away from the city, but it's far away enough that we don't, well, I was gonna say we don't get the hustle and bustle, but we do. Our road is ridiculously busy. It's crazy. So anyway, oh, right. I was like, why was I telling everybody this? And we don't have garbage collection. Right near us is a garbage and recycling center. And so we take our garbage once a week and we take our recycling twice a week, because in Australia, guys, back me up here, we recycle everything, don't we? We're like mad recyclers. We have recycling bins everywhere in public. We have big Sula bins at our house so we can recycle. I love that about Australia. That's what this recycling centre is. Somewhere to store all of that recycling until I can get to the recycling centre. Usually it just piles up under my kitchen island, my chopping block. I just want everything in a place outside, ready to take to the recycling center when it's full, rather than under my bench, under my kitchen island. So that's why I'm building this, in case anyone was curious. Okay. I have taken all the nails out of the part of the board that I'm going to be using. There's nails on the end of a few of them, but I'm going to be squaring those up so I don't need to expend my energy unnecessarily. So now that I've removed all the nails that I wanted to remove, I'm going to cut down the board. First I'm going to square up one side, measure, cut to fit the sides. Then we're going to rip these into threes because I want slats. So I'm making slats out of these scrap pieces. That looks so cool. Oh, and it moves like a dream. And good morning, you guys. Okay, slow start this morning. My household has been sick for the last month. I kid you not. Phil came back from his trip. He was sick. A week later, Aiden got sick. Phil's hung on for like 2 weeks. Then they both sort of got better, and then Hope got sick, and now I'm sick. So yay. Yay for sickness. Oh, can't wait for spring to get here. So late start this morning, feeling a little stuffy. Going to make the doors today, so I would like them to fit within the opening. So we're going to measure for that, cut the wood, rip it down, pocket holes, and screw it all together. And I don't have the hinges, but I know what I need. Gate hinges, and if I can't find any pulls in my stash, then I have to pick up pools as well. And I think I'll just go to Walmart for that. I don't need expensive things from Lowe's or anything like that. So I'll just get it from Walmart. But so anyway, gonna make it out of scraps that I've already cut up. Hopefully I have something long enough. I brought in a longer one for the height. And yeah, let's get to it. Sorry. All right, we got a little bit of snow, not a lot of snow. Tennessee in the south, not the way south, but south, don't really do well with snow. So anyway, today is a snow day for the kids. Usually we go to the homeschool group on a Wednesday, but they called it because they didn't want anyone out traveling on the roads. So got the hinges yesterday afternoon when picked the kids up from the after school program that they go to, and it's looking really good. I'm cautiously optimistic. I off camera put boards in the bottom there, obviously, so we can set things in. I'm playing around with the idea of possibly making this into a shelf. We'll see how we go. The two square bins that I use for recycling will fit both in this size, so that one there and then the other one, I guess they can go side by side. It really doesn't matter. So possibly turning the other side into shelving so that I could put maybe a lower bin for paper and then cardboard along the bottom. Who knows? We'll see. So what I need to do today is finish up the doors, pop the hardware on, the hinges, and attach the top. And I'm going to show you the top all in one section. I've been doing it over the last couple of days, but I'll just compile it into one build, and you'll see that in a few minutes. So let's work on the doors. So what I've done there is I've made a straight edge, right? Not a factory cut edge, but my own straight edge. So if you've been wondering what I've been doing, that's what I've been doing. When I cut it and then flip it, and then I measure, right, from the straight edge. Curvy edge on the inside. So I have to look at it. Not that I'm going for perfection here, but still. Hey! That's off a little bit because I screwed it in off. I'll fix that. Much easier to lay down. Okay. Same as the base. I put the screws in. Okay. I cut a 1.5 by 48 little block. Then I cut, here's the thing. I need it sloping so I can put a drain at the front, right? Heavy rains, I don't want water sitting in there and going bad, even though the plants will soak it up in the summer, more in the fall and winter when it's, you know, anyway. Okay, I have cut the pallet boards. I routed out the edge so these would sit flush, and now I'm going to alrighty, added extra boards. Did a half board here so we can sink the gutter in that other side, and all I have to do now is attach the top to the bottom. I'm gonna put the gutter in. I've collected some rock from outside, from our gravel that we poured for the pad. I'm going to put this little block, I'm gonna wedge it underneath the pipe, sort of facing it toward, like angling the opening toward where the dirt is. And then we're going to add there are a lot of leaves in there too. We're going to add the stone into the gutter.
I like it. Look,
Thanks.
my lips. Happy.
Okay, you guys, it's complete. I'm so happy with it. Happy to check another thing off the list of the very long list of things to do around our house. This recycling center is gonna make my kitchen tidier, remind me to take stuff to the recycling center, and I'm just excited to get my hands into building again, to be honest. Very excited about that and super proud of this. What do you reckon, Dad? What do you think? It's not perfect. It's not going to be a video for everyone, but I still hope that you guys enjoyed the journey and enjoyed the process and maybe inspired you. There's something on your list around the house that you want to do and inspired you to go ahead and finish it and check it off the list. Once the nurseries start bringing out plants again, I will be planting out that top and having herbs right there at my back doorstep to use when I'm cooking. I'm so excited about that, you guys. And as you can see, it definitely makes my kitchen island a lot more tidy, and you can see it there in the background as well. And that is going to be a video very soon as well. I need to make a few adjustments to it to make it work a little better for me in the kitchen. When spring finally does hit, you guys, we have some videos coming out that I am so excited. I plan on planting out the garden area on the steps, as well as a patio makeover. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, bell notifications, turn those on, and you will catch those videos when they go live. And if you want to hit a cheeky little thumbs up, that will be amazing. And I will see you guys on another video very soon. Bye. Love ya.